That feeling of maybe I should go back to the bank dissipates pretty quickly.
A lot of bankers I talk to that are brokers now, they all say like there was a time where they're like, I should just go back.
One time?
Yeah, no, definitely more than one time.
The agents that I've worked with over the last couple of months, there have been, a number of them said, well, first of all, I'm glad that Jason, Dee, and Derek have put me in touch with you and Chris because, for a couple of weeks there, I almost thought maybe I'm going to go back to the bank. And of course, first thing is like, no, wait a minute. Just, let's settle things down. Let's break things down what you need to do. I think that's the biggest thing is that anxiety and that overwhelming feeling when they come over is what do I do, right? From even just taking an application, how do I send out an application? Going from a bank system, which in most cases are quite archaic from what I remember, the whole DOS screen that's green to something that's much more advanced velocity. So just holding their hand from day one, just saying, I got you, don't worry. Whatever things you need help with, just give me a call or we'll start with this bite-sized training session first. And it reassures them. And then that feeling of maybe I should go back to the bank dissipates pretty quickly.
It is an uncomfortable feeling coming from a banker. I was a credit union to a mortgage broker. You're a big fish in a little pond and you know your systems and you know your lenders and you know all the underwriters and you can be really effective. And then you get your broker's license and then you come out into the broker world and you've lost all of your connections and you no longer just need to know one lender's policies. You need to know 20 lenders' policies. It's quite overwhelming. So it takes a lot of grit to stick with it, but you need to stick with it because you will definitely get there. So it is very nice to be able to be that stopgap to help people transition with whatever issues they're facing. And some of them might just be emotional. Very few of them are volume driven. It's more the emotional side and just having someone to call.
Well, yeah, I mean, not picking on the bank side, of course, but you can build your business underneath one roof and bank specialists, they know who to go to when they have an issue and they go directly to the regional sales manager. Now, when you're on the broker side, in general, you're on your own, you have no one to go with. So that is the key reason why we started this role is to essentially for the bank people, if we're talking in that segment, to replace the regional sales manager now with a dedicated broker relations manager that is going to take you through the steps that you need to go. So you're not on your own island, you have the support system, and you know exactly what you need to do to move forward with the transition.